Position your hand on the quadriceps with your fingers pointing upwards. Create a suction effect by cupping your hands, gently lifting the muscles, and then applying a downward push towards the femur bone. Apply the same technique to the outer and inner parts of the upper leg muscles. Utilize your other hand to assist and prevent the leg from moving to the opposite side while performing this petrissage. To address the posterior parts, begin at the center of the calf muscles. Similar to the front, target both the inner and outer areas. Take your time and concentrate on squeezing the muscle while you push down firmly into the leg and thus releasing the muscle tension. Avoid pressing directly on the back of the knee. Instead, concentrate on the hamstring muscles as you progress upward toward the hips. While working on the hamstring, respect the recipient's privacy. As your fingers are pointed upwards, consider adjusting them slightly to the side when focusing on the inner thighs for a more comfortable experience.